90s. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid to upper 90s. Severe weather threat over south central Arizona from late. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Maricopa County in south central Arizona. This includes the cities of Glendale, Youngtown, Waddell, Tolleson, Surprise, Sun City West, Sun City, Phoenix, Peoria, Laveen, Goodyear, El Mirage, Avondale, extreme northwestern Pinal County in southeast Arizona until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 1:41 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of White Tank Mountain Park to Estrella Mountain Park to 7 miles south of Estrella Mountain Park, or along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Goodyear to Avondale to 13 miles south of Avondale, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Phoenix International Raceway, Litchfield Park, Luke Air Force Base, Camelback Ranch, Surprise Stadium, Glendale Sports Complex, Beardsley, downtown Glendale, downtown Peoria, South Mountain Park, Arrowhead Mall, South Phoenix, Arizona State Fairgrounds, Metro Center, downtown Phoenix and North Mountain Park. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time.